Hello and welcome everyone. Here is our another video of today's topic is generally asked question in pharma. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest video and notification. So let's start the video. First, what are the user requirements? User requirement specification describes what user requires from the system. User requirement specification are written early in the validation process, typically before the system is created. It is written by the system owner or end users with the input from the quality assurance. Requirements outlined in the URS are usually tested in the performance qualification. User requirement specifications are not intended to be technical document. Readers with only a general knowledge of the system should be able to understand the requirement outlined in the URS. Next, what is a validation plan? Validation plan defines the scope and goal of a validation project. Validation plans are written before a validation project and are specific to a single validation project. Validation plans can include deliverable to be generated during the validation process, and resources or departments or personnel to participate in the validation project, timeline for completing the validation project. Next, what is an IQ document? Installation qualification are a collection of test cases used to verify the proper installation of a system. The requirement is properly installed to the system. The requirement to properly install the system was defined in a design specification. Installation qualification must be performed before completing operational qualification or performance qualification. Next, what is an OQ document? Operational qualifications are collection of test cases used to verify the proper functioning of a system. The operational qualification test requirements defined in the functional requirements. Operational qualifications are usually performed before the system is released for use. Next, what is a PQ document? Performance qualification are collection of test cases used to verify the system performance as expected under simulated real-world condition. The performance qualification test requirements that were defined in the user requirement specification. Due to the nature of performance qualification, these tests are sometimes conducted with the proper user as a system is being released. Next, what is a validation summary report? Validation summary reports provide an overview of the entire validation project. When regulatory auditors review validation project, they typically begin by reviewing the summary report. The validation summary report should include a description of the validation project, all test cases performed, including if those test cases passed without issue, all deviations reported, including how those deviations were resolved. Next, what is a change request? Change control. What is a change control? Change control is a general term describing the process of managing how changes are introduced into the control system. In validation, this means how changes are made in a validation system. Change control is required to demonstrate to regulatory authorities that validate systems remain under control after a system changes. Change control systems are a favorite target of regulatory auditors because they widely demonstrate or organization capacity to control its system. Next, what is a dead leg? A dead leg is defined as an area in a piping system where liquid can become stagnant and not extended during flushing. Next, what is a recommended bioburden limit for a purified water and WFI? Purified water has recommended bioburden limit is 100 CFU per ml and water for injection has recommended bioburden limit is 10 CFU per 100 ml. Next, what is a significant instability testing? A 5% change in assay for initial value, any degradation product exceeds its acceptance criterion, failure to meet acceptance criterion for appearance, physical attribute and functionality test, failure to meet acceptance criteria for resolution for 12 units. Hope you like this video. For more video and notification, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.